Kuri aria makoretwo makiringa itherũ kiama kia DCP kia muremuhuraniri wa giturwa kia president mutongoria wa kiama giki Rigathi Gachagua nethukitie na gucokia kiuria giki na kuga ihinda ti kinyu akiringithania na tariki iria uria wari president wa gatatu Mwai Kibaki akiamurwo kuhuranira giturwa kia president kuona ni tariki ya kuhanirire na muthenya wa ithurano na koguo gutire na ihenya.
Mwai Kibaki, the third president of the Republic of Kenya, was chosen as a single presidential candidate for the opposition then on 14th of October 2002, when the elections were to be held on 27th of December the same year. 2 months, 13 days apart. We have a whole year, 11 months. What is the hurry? In my view, hii ni maneno ya March, April huko. Wengine wanasema leo, wengine wanasema kesho. Wale wanasema leo na uuliza wewe kura zako wanaleta kwa mesa ni ngapi? Unasema tuamue leo. What are you putting on the table?
Ona gukiri uguo ni athiete na mbere na kurota kambuni iria kurerekana ni guthukirwo wira wa utaramu wa ithurano akiuga ti kambuni ina wigiririki uria wagirire wa ithurano na ni irariha makomishona a IEBC na maabitha nene thirikari ni muigana wa mbeca itanyihire bilioni 2.
And that system has failed in every country it has been tried. We cannot accept it here in Kenya. It must be rejected in total because we want to have a free, fair, verifiable elections next year where the sovereign will of the people will prevail.
Nioreti mutongoria wa bururi President William Ruto kurugamia wira minister wa ugitiri Kipchumba Murkomen oro hamwe na mwandiki mukaru Raymond Omolo akimagiritania na kurumbuya mutugo wa uhuthiri wa nyanake kwagagia micemanio ya uteti akiuga ni maremetwo ni wira.
But let me advise William Ruto, if he is serious, he wants to deal with the goons, he must sack Kipchumba Murkomen and Raymond Omolo because they are the planners and financiers of goons in the country. Why it's been very difficult for police to deal with the goons and the police are crying to us is because the CS for Interior and the PS for Internal Security are the people who plan goons with the politicians. They finance them using security operations confidential expenditure, and that is why it has been very difficult to deal with.
Gachagua ni athiete na mbere na kuga ni ambite kiondo giake uwega gia kurehe muingi hamwe wa kirima Nairobi nduriri cia mathai gatagati kaingi itemine ria kuibaibia mathabu ma witikiriku wake undu ria augite wina maciaro kiondo rita.
I for one, I can confirm I have mobilized the mountain to a man. I have mobilized the city of Nairobi, the Maa Nation. I am actually now working on the Kipsigis community, and you can see it's working. I was there on Friday last week. William Ruto was there today, crying to the Kipsigis that they are embarrassing him by coming to Amonyoro. And they said, no, if we never went to Amonyoro, you don't have come here. So this Rigiji guy is a real thing.
Gachagua ohete thabari nginya bururi wa Amerika kuria atanyitwo gucera miene tiganite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waithera Nduati wa Mwangi.